Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to ask Cursor to implement the string security with JWT. Okay, JWT token where all my whatever the exposed endpoints are there, so we can try to secure with the help of Cursor. So this is a bit complex task because at least need 4 to 5 plus years of development experience to implement this kind of security feature. So let's see if this Cursor AI can implement or not. So okay, let's start, guys. So I'll just give okay, I'll just need a Spring Boot version. So I'm using 3.4.7. Okay, implement Spring security with JWT feature. What's okay feature? Note I am using Spring version. Okay. So before I hit the command, I'll just try to show. Okay, this is my previous endpoints. So here these are not secured; it's all exposed. Okay. So let's try to okay using a user and role. Okay, use user and role related classes. I just give a little bit info. Let's see. I have just hit the enter. Let's see what this cursor will do. It's trying to generate. Okay, let's see whether it can implement the Spring Boot, I mean Spring security feature. Let's try. Okay, search for file user and role. No, tool call timeout. Okay, fine. Okay, it is just trying to search whether I have those related classes or not. Okay, it's appear user. Okay, should the user entity have user and password and set the rules? Should role entity ID. Okay, okay, fine. Let me this is confirm. Okay, let me confirm this too. Okay, so let us see what it can do. I just confirm user role entity should be different. JWT, please proceed. Proceed. Let us see if it can implement. Okay, cool. It is trying to create a user class. Okay, a role JP entity with appropriate fields. Okay, fine. It has given me. Okay, cool. It has given me a role class. Fine. It has given me role class. I'll accept. Now it is trying to give me user class. Okay, has a users. Okay, cool. Users role. Cool. Fine. Perfect. What next? It is creating user repository. Cool. Find by username and find by email. Cool. Let's accept. It is trying to what next? Okay, let's accept. It has two methods, which is trying to return the user object by finding. Okay, cool. So role, cool. Find by name. Okay, it's trying to get the role by passing the role name. Cool. So what next? So it is creating register user request. Cool. It has a register request. Okay, get username. Okay, fine. It is using prefill. Okay, no problem. Cool. So what next? So okay, login request. Fine. Login request also fine. By passing username and password. Okay. Auth response. What is auth response class? Okay, it has token. Okay, fine. It is trying to return the token. Cool. So what next? Auth service. Okay, it is trying to generate the auth service. What is this auth service? which has okay two methods, login and register. Okay, fine. It is taking the register request and login request. Okay, cool. So what next? Next is okay. So it is trying to create a auth service IMPL class. Okay, basically it is trying to set user role. Okay, okay, registered. Fine, fine. Let's accept for now. Let us see. Which has some issues, but let's see. Next, let's accept. Okay, adding related dependencies. Fine. Review next. Okay, spring security config adopt. Okay, config. Okay, security config. It has created security config. Wow, nice. They almost created all related classes. All related classes. Okay, fine. JWT util. Oh, this is a okay, last one. Okay, fine. Cool. So one. Okay, fine. It has one error, but let us see. JWT. Okay, implementation. Okay. It is trying to add the login method and all. Okay. Except what it trying to do in the role. Okay, auth controller class. Fine. Except we have security config adapter. Fine. Fine. It is trying to put some JWT implementation. Fine. Okay, JWT auth filter. Okay, use the next class. Okay, accept. Okay, review next file. Accept. Review next file. Accept. Wow, nice. It has generated all the classes, but it has only one issue in the JWT util. Okay, let us view this issue. Okay, JWT util it has some compiler issue. What is this JWTs? Okay, fine. Let's copy this. Okay, getting this issue. Getting compile it. Compile issue. Let us see. Okay, pass builder. Okay, check the import at the top JWT whether this is imported or not. I'm not sure, but let us try to add this. No, okay. AWS Java. I don't think AWS Java or anything. Anything is AWS star is there now. Okay. Refresh, try it. Is asking okay, if I give the command, but still okay. Check yourself. Check yourself. This is not working fine, but let us see if we can fix this issue. Then we can proceed. We have given everything, but it is not created JWT util class properly. We like to process it as a command to clean and rebuild. Okay, clean and rebuild, yes. Clean and rebuild, no problem. But this will not build on, there is a compile time issue. Let it build, guys. Okay, guys. So I think this issue it got resolved. So I just asked uh, that previous builder, JWS dot builder, that was duplicated, that was not there. So instead of that, the parser was the one thing. So I just found this. So I asked the cursor to refresh. So now I have cursor has given me the latest code, and I don't see any issue. So now let us see. We just try to clean install. Okay, and we will see if this code will work end to end or not. So that's the one which we will test, and meanwhile we will ask from give me the steps, give me the steps and level to test spring security feature you just implemented. You just implemented. Okay, so let us see. So okay, give me the steps. Okay, here it is saying okay. File API auth register. Okay, it is asking me to run the application. Let me run. So then next it is asking me to go to your API post and give this. Okay, cool. Let me do that. Before that, let me test whether my API got secured or not. Previously it was I was able to access, right? So let me click. Cool, I got forbidden. So let me do one thing. Let me follow this step to register. It is asking me to register. Let's see. Uh, just create one localhost. Okay, 0 slash API slash user. It's just a post method, and what it is asking me to pass in the body JSON. Okay, let's do it. Test user, test user. Okay, fine. What is this? Okay. Could not execute the statement where role ID does not have the default value. Insert into value. Oh, okay. Let us view this issue. Fix boss and making this issue. Okay. Let us fix this issue. What happened? Okay. I create. It should be create design table for you. Okay, it is asking me to create instead of update, and let me do that quickly. Okay, right. So I just change in the application.property. Okay, to create and I restarted. So I just push this. So it has taken. Okay, username already exists. Let me try with test one, test pass one, test. Okay, so cool. Now I got the token. Nice. So let me do one thing. Let me pass this token to get the result. Right. So I was trying to get the products. So if I say not post, okay, let's say get products. Okay, we will get products endpoint. Okay, I think it's product. If I try this, it should give me the error. Cool. So now let's pass the error token here. Why forbidden? Why forbidden? Why forbidden? Is it open right? Which is generated. Okay. Here token right space no. Okay guys, so I was doing before after registration I just hit to use hit the login. So with the help of username and password. So just do that. So for that I have just I am just trying to hit the username and password so that we can get the refresh token. Okay. So okay API slash login, sorry. So if I hit this, I got the refresh token. Nice. Okay, then let me try to post the product. Okay, API slash product. I just try to post some product with the help of this bearer token. Product is, let's say some DDDD, some description, yes, 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 and some file. Okay. Cool. My post API is working with this generated token. I just passing bearer token and token. If I pass no auth, cool, it is giving me forbidden. Nice. So let me test the product. Okay, get product API. Cool. I just passed the authentication token bearer. I got the product. Okay, two. Yeah, wonderful guys. So this has successfully added Spring Security. It has secured all my endpoints, generated all the related classes like if you see JWT util class, it has generated. Okay, and it has done so many things. Okay, it has created the filter config class. Okay, config class it has created. It has applied filter chain. Then it has written the auth controller where register and login API. Then created DTOs like auth response and login response. Then cursor created the user, okay, entity class, and it has mapped the role with many to many. Very nice. It has created the repository. It has created user repository, role repository, auth service IMPL, custom user service IMPL, where it implement the user detail service. Oh my goodness. They has written the JWT util. It has done lot of stuff, guys, with just a very straightforward plain text English command. It has successfully applied the JWT implementation Spring Security feature to simple basic uh, curved API application, guys. So this is very awesome job done by Cursor AI. So let's do uh, appreciation. Good job. Spring security. Spring security feature is working locally. Nice guys. So okay, I think we have to give little bit. We have to tell little bit cursor to which version, and it has got confused with some JWT util. So I just corrected with that parser. Okay, and after that it got it got issue with some null pointers while calling the filter APIs. So that also I just give something some commands. So it got corrected. So very awesome guys. So you can also explore. So do let me know in the comment if you need any complex or any use case you want me to generate with the help of Cursor AI. So I'm very excited. So put it in the comment so I can go through it. So very awesome job from Cursor AI guys. So it has added a Spring security feature which is very awesome, and very I am literally surprised because even more than 5+ year experience people fail to apply this, and it has done within just 5 to 10 minutes. It has applied a wonderful feature with all the related classes with a very standard. So if I give little bit some advanced command, so it can give me a real-time code. Okay, so that's all for this particular video guys. So in the next video we will try to give some more complex use cases, and I'm planning to integrate this all APIs with Angular. So let us see if we can integrate, if the cursor can integrate all this. So by the way, like this cursor is using this okay guys, so Claude 4 Sonnet so model. So that's why it is very so accurate, and very advanced at writing the codes. Yeah, that's it guys. I don't want to make this video longer, so have a great day. See you in the next video. Before winding up, just smash the subscribe button guys. I am bringing more exciting videos in the uh, upcoming section guys. Thank you so much. See you again. Have a great day.